Let's practice finding the surface area of a prism. Find the surface area of the triangular prism. Now remember that a triangular prism is a solid figure with 2 triangular bases and 3 rectangular faces. Notice that our triangular base is a right triangle with a height of 27 and a base of 17. The other measure we're given is the height of the prism, which is 20. Since we know the lengths of the legs of our triangular base, and since it's a right triangle, we can figure out the length of the hypotenuse. We'll use the Pythagorean theorem, c squared equals a squared plus b squared, to find the length of the hypotenuse, c. Substituting in the values we know, we can rewrite the equation as c squared equals 27 squared plus 17 squared. After squaring the terms and adding them, we have c squared is equal to 1018. Okay, to solve for c, we'll take the square root of both sides of our equation. So we have c is equal to the square root of 1018. And let's write that here on our diagram. Now that we know all the necessary lengths, we'll use the formula for the surface area of a triangular prism. S equals L plus 2B. S is surface area. L is the lateral area, which in this case is the total area of the rectangular faces of the prism. And B is the area of the base, one of the triangles in our diagram. Now, before we can plug in the known values, we need to add formulas for L and B. The L, the lateral area, is found by multiplying the perimeter of the base times the height of the prism. Then we have 2 bases. Because the bases are right triangles, the area of each base of the prism, capital B, is 1/2 the base of the triangle, a small b, times the height of the triangle. Now note that this is a different h than for the lateral area, so we have labeled the height of the prism h sub 1 and the height of the triangle h sub 2. Okay, now we're ready to substitute the known values into the formula. Surface area is equal to the perimeter of the base, which is 27 plus 17, plus the square root of 1018 times the height of our prism, 20, plus 2 times 1/2 the base of the triangle, 17, times the height of the triangle, 27. And we'll use a calculator to find that the surface area of our triangular prism is approximately equal to 1977.1 when rounded to the nearest tenth. Now, we're not given the units, so we can say that this is in square units. Okay, surface area of the triangular prism is approximately 1977.1 square units.